Hey TryonFamily, welcome back! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm showing you guys the two boxes I got from Boxycharm. We got the little one and we got the premium. So we're gonna open the little one and I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my god, okay. It comes like this. Okay, it tells you the stuff we got, the prices. Oh wow, 54, 42, 58, 12, and 20. Okay, this is the month of August. Today we got the Morphe brushes. Oh wow, more brushes. The brushes are at $12. These are $12. Okay, open it and show you guys. Okay, my lovely people, family. Okay, it goes like this. Brushes. Okay, these. Oh, those are cool. Okay. They're kind of hard. We'll try them. Okay, the next one is Hollywood California Glam Glow Moisturizer, Omega Rich Moisturizer. Okay. Okay. Oh wow. You see, you guys? It smells okay. Doesn't have a good smell, but yeah. Yeah, 24 months to use. This is for the face. That one is, how much is that one? That one is $54. The next is Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer. Okay. Shows like this, little faces, little eyes you have in there. And a photo of this. Okay, let's open it, you guys. This is 12 months before it expires. So you have 12 months to use it. Okay, I'm gonna try it out. Maybe eyeshadow lasts longer. Okay. The primer, how much was the primer? $20. Now we got another set of lipsticks. Wow, mini lipsticks crayon set. Oh, that's cool. Oh, okay. Oh wow, they do mean crayon. Oh wow, look, that's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna take it out and be careful. It looks like this. This way you can really see the color. Let me see. Oh, I'm so dumb. Duh, look. You open it and the color comes out. Oh, there you go. That's so cool. Take it out. Just like crayon. And I was careful to take it out. Okay, you see this color? I'm gonna put all the colors in my hand to show you guys. Okay. Okay. I got another. Okay, we have light and dark reds from these. Okay. Open it like this. Okay. Just like crayon. Just like that. So these colors, you guys, all of them look like this in this hand. Look. They're the colors. TryonFamily. Now, that one was, how much will those are? Those are $58. Now we're gonna do the Summer Glow Plus Gold Mini Summer Intilos set. Okay, the same thing as little crayons. Oh, look. Like that. Okay, now this one. I like this one's cute. This is for us from the small box. It's $27, you guys. Okay. Okay, look. Okay, this is pretty. Hey, I like it. Look, you guys. It's pretty. Now we're gonna open the premium box. Let's see what we got in the premium box, you guys. Okay, just like this, just like every month. Okay, there you go. Like that. Okay, we got whole body scrub. But for your body, so you can wash your body off. The sponge. Oh, that's so cool. Oh wow. So cool. Wait a minute, you guys. I did not get the paper that says the prices for each item. They didn't send me for this one. Okay. Well, I guess maybe this is 20. I don't know. That one doesn't have. Come on. Here. Doesn't have it. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna open the Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. Okay. The brand Milk. Okay. It has a, oh wow, look at this eyeliner, you guys. Okay. Okay, it's like this. I think it's brown. Yeah, dark brown. Okay. I don't know how much is this one. Now this is the, ooh, eyelashes. This is a mascara. Eyelash volume. Okay. This is a mascara. Okay. Oh yeah, no wonder. This is the one that you apply on your eyelashes before you're applying your eyelash color. So I guess it's just one. Eyelash booster formula. That's what it is. Not a mascara. It's eyelash booster formula. So I guess you apply it before you apply your mascara. I guess it helps your eyelashes look longer. Okay, this is called a MAC lipstick. Scenty lipstick. Okay. I haven't worn MAC for a while. This is cute. So I'm gonna apply it right here. This is how it looks. Girl, oh my god. This side. This one. Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty color. It smells like chocolate. Now, which was this? High Dose. Ooh, okay. What is this called? Vitamin A plus. High Dose. Into the skin, Sunday really. Okay. We should try it. You apply at night to clean skin. Okay. It goes like this. For your skin. For your face. You can put it at night. So let's try it. Now we got a Tarte Palette. Okay, it looks like this. Tarte London. Oh, okay. Look at these colors. They're pretty. Look at this blue right here. It's really dark. Look at the colors. It's really nice. It has a mirror. They are pretty. Okay. Okay, that's everything that came in the premium box. Okay. I'm gonna do another one trying the palette. TryonFamily. So this is for today. Show you guys the unboxing what I got out of the Boxycharm box. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, join the family, and follow me on Instagram. And I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you on the screen all the information. The Instagram, Facebook, and no rude faces. I had a photo of me on Facebook, and someone put an angry face. I don't know why. If you guys want to follow us, I want positive people, positive comments, not rude or mean, because I'm ignore it. I don't want those kind of people hating. I don't want that. Here our channel is gonna be positive and love people, and that's it. And entertain you guys and talk to you guys more about makeup, and learn more about makeup, and learn about my personal life with my family. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like and join the family. And I love you guys, and see you guys in the next episode of family. And God bless you. Mwah.